Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pickled radish using an easy method. This simple recipe is perfect for beginners and uses just 5 common ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of fresh radishes, 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Get ready to transform ordinary radishes into a tangy, crunchy delight. First, thoroughly wash and trim the ends off about 1 pound of your fresh radishes. Next, slice them thinly, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick. Consistency is key here for even pickling, so a mandolin slicer can be very helpful if you have one. Otherwise, a sharp knife works perfectly well. Now, let's create our simple pickling brine. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of white vinegar with 1 cup of water. Stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until both the sugar and salt have completely dissolved. Do not boil the brine. Finally, it's time to combine everything. Carefully pack your thinly sliced radishes into a clean, heat-proof jar. Pour the warm brine over the radishes, making sure they are fully submerged. Seal the jar tightly with a lid. Allow it to cool to room temperature, then refrigerate for at least 24 hours before enjoying your delicious homemade pickled radishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.